crossed 100 subscribers. I started on 30th of April, so it's not been even a month, and to reach 124 subscribers is a good deal, I think. Thank you all so much for subscribing to me, for watching my videos. I'm really encouraged, and I'll keep on posting more fun videos in the future. My Sarojini Nagar haul has been the most viewed videos, so I thought, why not do a giveaway? So I bought a couple of things and I'll be giving it away on my channel to my subscribers. So the only thing that you need to do to qualify for this particular giveaway is subscribe to my channel, comment down below which product do you like the most, number 1, number 2, number 3, because there will be 3 sets of products, and share this video on Facebook. So that's the only, and tag me on it. So that's the only thing that you need to do. So I'll start with the haul. I'll start with the first set, then I'll go to the second, and then the third. So the first set of giveaway is this beautiful bag. So I've got this from Sarojini as well. By the way, I will not be telling you the price, because you know Sarojini Nagar, all of the things are very cheap. I'm not super rich that I can give you a very expensive giveaway, and plus it's only 100 subscribers right now. So these are under my budget, and I got all of these things under 2000 rupees, so you can very well calculate how much it must be. So just guess the price. So I've got this lovely bag. It's in one of my favorite color. It's in pastel mint color, bluey mint color, and it's really beautiful. In fact, when I got this and I came back home, I was like, no, I don't want to give it away, I want to keep it for myself. But no, I'll give it away. So it has this very nice easy buckle which you can open. It has this clasp above, so if you want to carry it like this in a very ladylike fashion, then you can also do that. Or if you can just sling it around, then you can also use this long sling here, which is adjustable. So this is also adjustable, by the way, and it has this button here that you can just roll, and then you can open the bag, and it has this very nice secure, this is a very nice secure bag because it has zippers, and this is how it looks like inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. 2 bigger compartments and smaller one for your mobile phones, for your knick and knacks, bits and bobs, etc. And it has a smaller zipper where you can keep your money, when you can keep your important stuff. So it's a really pretty bag. I was so pleased when I got it. It also has, oh, I totally forgot this, it also has this zipper in the back for your quick change and tickets and etc. So yeah, so I love this bag, if you can see it. Yeah. So the next item that I'm going to show you is this military green top. I absolutely love it. Why? Because it has this very sexy back, which will be open on the back when you wear it. Yeah, so it's a lovely design, and it has this sequins and stones here. I love the design of this top, and it is a very simple yet very sophisticated design. Yeah, so it was such a good buy. So the first set consists of only these 2 things, because yeah, the bag costs me more, so I thought, why not give the other sets more items. I'll start the second item with this beautiful halter neck top, if you can see it. Yeah, so it's a beautiful white halter neck top with these designs, blue designs, and it has this rubbery thing in the back so that you can adjust, and yeah, so it looks like this if you wear it. Yeah, so I was so pleased and chuffed when I got this, and I'll tell you why. Because this is real Esprit. Okay, so this is Esprit, and I was so happy when I got this, and it came with this particular bill kind of a thing, stating why it got rejected or why it got thrown away in the surplus product. It says Esprit collection 100% cotton, approved, and the reason approved first step, approved second step, not approved on fabric matching. So this got rejected from Esprit brand only because some minor thing must not have matched with the rest of the item or rest of the product that must have that must have been made in mass production. So they just threw it in the surplus items. So this is a real Esprit brand and I love it. You know, it will look so sexy. The next thing that I will show you, which is also in this set, is this beautiful jewelry neck piece. Yeah, so I thought, why can't I wear this halter neck top and then I wear this beautiful necklace? It will complement this top so nicely. If I can show it to you. So for example, if I wear it like this and then I wear this neck piece here, yeah, I don't know whether you can see it, but it's a lovely neck piece. It has these beads all over and it's layered, multiple layering is done, and it has this clasp here. So I loved it when I saw it first. Yeah, so this also will go in this particular set. Okay, so the next thing I'll show you is this beautiful skirt that you can wear this with this halter neck as well. So it's a mauve colored midi skirt. It's not a mini skirt, so it's a mauve colored skirt with pockets in the front and a little bit of pleatings in the front of the skirt, if you can see it. I saw a very similar one in Jabong in a different color, and it was quite costly. It was for like around 600-700 rupees, 800, I don't remember. And can you believe it, this is also Esprit. So I will show you the brand here. Yeah, if it focuses. Yeah, so this is also Esprit, and I was so pleased. How can I get Esprit brand on the same day multiple times? I don't know, maybe they came in bulk or something like that. So I got this. Again, you have this loops as well where you can put your belt, and I loved it. It's not my size, I wish it was my size, and so I got it for you guys. Maybe it will fit some of you. So this is the third item here. The next thing that I'll show you in this particular set is a beautiful dress that I got from Sarojini. It's from the company or the brand Max. You can see it. Yeah, so it's from the brand Max, and it's a very nice sleeveless flowery summery dress. It has this design in the back, the buttony hole, that is very popular these days, and it comes up like this. It has this design in the mid section, and then it has this skirt kind of a thing. It is very casual, and it is very childlike. I don't know if that's the correct word. It's not sophisticated, but it's very cute. Yeah, that is the word. It's very cute. It's very pretty. Anybody who wears this will look so cute. So this is the third item in this list, and the last thing that I'll show you from this set is this earring that I got. Yeah, so it's oval shaped, and it's a very nice antique kind of silvery but artificial jewelry. So if you can see it fits perfectly fine. I wore it and I absolutely loved it. So this will also go with the particular set. So this particular set has this dress, this earring, this Esprit skirt, this beautiful necklace, yeah, and then this Esprit halter top. Yeah, so this set consists of these things. I'll start with the third and the final set. So I'll start with this beautiful bracelet. Wear it and show it to you. So it's a multiple bracelet. You can choose to wear only one, or you can choose to wear multiple of them because it's not attached anywhere. So I'll show it to you. Yeah, so it's a nice colorful set of bracelets. Yeah, so I really like the colors. It has yellow, pink, mint, green, mint, pastel yellow, etc. and metal. Yeah, so I really like this one as well. The next thing that I want to show you from this particular set is this beautiful dress. Yeah, so it has this net kind of thing in the front, both back and front. So beautiful net design in the back as well. Okay, and then as you move forwards, you get this beautiful shimmery design on your bosom area or chest area, and then you have this midsection with a rubbery thing, and then you have the skirt. Yeah, so it's a straight maxi kind of a dress. It's one of the most softest fabric. I mean, I love this fabric. It will be very comfortable to wear. So if I can tell you the brand, it says Savvy Girl, etc. So this is basically from Pantaloon. I don't know how it ended up in Sarojini. So I love this dress. It's in navy blue color, I think. Let's head to the next item. I got this beautiful red shirt with again net work here in the front and the back, and it is again a very beautiful shirt. It has buttons here till here, and you can fold it and button it up on your sleeves, or else just leave it. I really like red. It makes it look so vibrant and stand out in the crowd. So yeah, so it was such a good buy. So it's the third item in the set. Yeah, I'll show you the next item. I got this skirt, this very beautiful light pink skirt. It is not it is quite long. It comes up to your below your knees, and it is lovely. It is very soft, and it has this lining, very soft lining again. In fact, you can use it as a top. You can use it as a strapless. You can use it as a strapless top, and it looks so lovely. It looks better than when it is worn as a skirt. Yeah. So look at the flowiness of this skirt. It flows down on your waist area, and yeah, so you can wear it as a skirt as well as a top. So this is the fourth item in the list in this particular set. The next thing that I'm going to show you from this particular set is this beautiful shrug. It's a polyester shrug. I mean, it's quite big, but I think it's meant to be worn in a baggy manner. I mean, it's in a comfortable baggy manner. I know I'm wearing long sleeves, but if you wear shorter sleeves and you wear this, it will look lovely. See, if I just hide my shirt, yeah, so like this, it looks lovely. You can wear a tank top, and then you can wear this, just because sometimes you don't want to wear tank top. If you're going somewhere where people might stare at you, then you can just carry this flimsy top. It will even fit in this particular small bag, and then you can just take it out when you want, or else you can just put, you know, it's just a little bit of layering and style. Yeah, so this is the last number that I got from Sarojini, and this also goes in the last set. So in this particular set, you have got this shrug, this skirt you can also wear it as a top, this shirt, red shirt, this dress, as well as these beautiful bracelets. Yeah. I hope you like all the things that I've shown you today, because it is meant to be a giveaway. So I hope that you like it. I'm sure you will like it. So just comment down below which one do you like most. You can just say set 1, set 2 or set 3, and then you have to share this particular video on Facebook, and just simply tag me My username is Simibella, the same as my YouTube name, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I hope you like the haul. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, because then you will get notification for my future videos. And yeah, so, and thank you so much again for subscribing to my channel and making me reach my target of 100 subscribers before the month ended. So thank you so much, and I hope this journey continues, and we will see many more giveaways in the future, better giveaways in the future. Yeah, so bye.